Methodologies are as unique as an individual. However, there are some indicators which may point to how a person may behave as a parent. One such theory is the MBTI personality. Let's start with a general description and the characteristics of the ENFJ. They are warm, empathetic, responsible, responsive. They're highly attuned to the emotions and needs and motivations of other people. They can find potential in anyone, and they want to help others really fulfill that potential. They can act as catalysts for individuals and even group growth. They're loyal and responsive to praise and criticism. They're social, and they can facilitate others in a group and even provide a very inspiring leadership. Others tend to see the ENFJ as energetic, enthusiastic, and very aware of others. Their genuine interest really is to draw out and involve everyone, even the most reserved, quiet person that might be sitting on the edge. They will listen to and support others, but they really have very determined and definite values and opinions of their own, and they will express them very quickly. They're energized by other people, and they're very socially adept. They have a strong need to have an authentic, intimate relationship with their family, which they will bring great enthusiasm and intensity to maintaining those relationships. They like to be organized, and they really are going to work to bring closure to any ambiguous relationships or situations. People tend to say that they're sociable, personable, that they're congenial, gracious, expressive, responsive, and even persuasive. ENFJs are very generous parents. They want to give the world to their children. They're eager, they're supportive, they're loving, and they are so excited to provide for all of the needs and the desires of their children. However, at times they are difficult making discipline or disciplining their child, and they may even use some guilt manipulation to control them. However, that being said, they put forth a lot of effort to make sure their children are well cared for and as happy as possible. They are openly affectionate, they're warm, they're friendly, and they want to be the very best parent that they can be. This generous parent is very concerned over the well-being of their child. They want to make sure that they understand their child and their emotions. They want to understand everything that goes on with them to do the very best that they can. They provide for the needs of their children as an individual, and they're very unlikely to take all of their children and say this is good enough. They also are going to be very good at explaining what is going on. On the negative side, they may spend too much time trying to meet the individual needs of everyone, and this creates a lot of stress for them, especially as they bend over too far backwards at times. And they struggle at times also in making decisions, especially hard ones, worrying that they may make the wrong decision for their child and their family.